Poultry cuts. What is poultry? Poultry, it refers to the edible flesh with adhering bones of any bird that is commonly used as a food. And types of poultry include chicken, ducks, geese, turkey, quail, pheasant. All poultry, they are processed in a similar manner. It is either cooked whole or segmented in a number of ways, depending on how it is to be used. Cutting of poultry. So a bird, it can be split in half lengthwise through the backbones and knee bone, or it can be split into a front quarter and a hind quarter. The front quarter of the bird, it contains the breast and wing meats, whereas the hind quarter, it contains the leg, and it is common to further break the poultry into segments. Cutting of poultry. So for maximum yield and precise processing, it can be segmented by cutting through the soft natural joints of the bird. The term eight cut chicken, it is used to describe a chicken segmented into two drumsticks, two thighs, and both breasts split in half across the rib bone. One half may contain the wing. The procedure, it is always done with bone in. The segment, it can be processed further to boneless, skinless cuts if desired. Description of cuts. There are three types of cut, that is whole chicken, a whole bird without giblets, with all parts including the breast, thighs, drumstick, wings, back and abdominal fat. Then quartered vogue, it is a four piece with two breast quarters, half breast with back and wing attached, and two leg quarter, drumstick, thigh and back, and all attached. The tail and abdominal fat, it may be present or it may be absent. 8 piece. An 8 piece is a two split breast with back and rib portions, two drumstick, two thighs with back portions, and two wings. Here is a picture of whole chicken, quartered chicken, and 8 piece cut. You can clearly see whole chicken, then quartered chicken, and 8 piece cut. It is cut into different parts. Description of cuts. Tenderloin. Tenderloin, it is a whole muscle product, hand pulled by separating the inner pectoral muscle from the breast and sternum. Thigh, it is a thigh is produced by cutting whole leg at the joint between the tibia and the femur. The drumstick and patella are removed. Thigh consists of thigh and associated fat. Meat adjacent to the ilium, it may be present or it may be absent. Drumstick. Drumstick, it is produced by cutting a whole leg through the joint between the tibia and femur. The thigh is removed. The drumstick, it consists of drumstick and patella. Chicken wings and drumstick, they are usually cheaper cuts of chicken. Whole wing. Whole wing, it is produced by cutting the wing from a whole bird without giblets at the joint between the humerus and the backbone. The wing, it consists of first segment, second segment, that is flat, and third segment, tip, containing the metacarpals and phalanges. Breast fillet. The whole or half of the breast deboned. It is called as breast fillet. Tenders, they are also known as chicken fingers, chicken gojons, chicken strips, or chicken fillets. They are known by multiple names. Tender, they are chicken meat prepared from the pectoralis minor muscles. These stripes of white meat, they are located on either side of the breastbone under the breast meat. Legs, they are obtained by cutting at the natural seam through the hip joint. And a leg includes thigh and drumstick, jointed or disjointed, and may include pelvic meat. It excludes pelvic bones, back skin, abdominal skin, and excessive fat. Cuts of poultry. Usually poultry cut, it is not classified into wholesale or retail cuts because size of the carcass, as comparison to beef and cattle, its size is small. So USDA, they have set some standard for ready to cook chicken and turkeys, and USDA, it stands for United States for Drug and Administration. Here's a picture where you can see a chicken cut into different sizes. It is the neck, then drumlet, wingtip, mid-joint wing, breast fillet, they are without skin, interfillet, then whole leg, breast, skin on, bone in, and three-joint wing, four-quarter, which consists of breast and wing. Then USDA, They have suggested poultry cut, and it includes breast, then tender. Tender is any strip of breast meat. Tenderloin is inner pectoral muscle that lies alongside the breastbone, and it is a wing. And wing is of three part. Wing is of three part. First section it is wing drumlet. Second section is flat wing tip, and third section it is wing tip. Then leg, which consists of thigh and drumstick, and then thigh. It is also used to make turkey ham. And poultry half, it consists of full length split down breast and back producing approx equal left and right sides. Then breast quarter, half a breast, a wing, and a portion of the back. Leg quarter, it consists of a thigh, drumstick, and a portion of the back. Poultry cut, it is also divided into two types, that is white meat cut and dark meat cut. White meat cut or light meat cut, it comes from the breast and wings. The breast and wings, they are generally separated, but a chicken breast with the drumtail portion of the wing is still attached. It is called as supreme. And wings, they can be broken down into three parts: wing tip, winglet, and wing drummet. The breast, they can also be broken down further, and the tenderloins are removed. Portion without the tenderloin, they can be split and pounded into a thin cutlet known as pallard. So here it is a picture of white meat cut and chicken breast whole and with the fillets removed from the bottom portion. On the right hand side you can see fillets, they are removed from the chicken breast. Then dark meat cut. Dark meat cut of poultry, it comes from the legs, which can be broken down into two parts, the thigh and the drumstick. In restaurants, you may occasionally find a boneless leg that has been stuffed, which is called a ballotine. Chicken legs, they are split at the knee joint to separate the thigh from the drumstick. Drumstick, they are usually cooked bone in, while thighs can be deboned and skinned to use in a variety of dishes, including slicing, dicing, stir fries, and similar dishes. So the question arises, how much of a whole chicken is represented by each cut? So it is a data, and it is taken from the average grams based on a 1.5 kg of chicken carcass. So it contains one wing, its weight is 89 gram, that is 11%, and one drumstick raw, its weight is 125 gram, and half breast, its weight is 310 gram, 41%, and one thigh, its weight is 232 gram. Okay, thank you.